Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope all of you enjoying the beautiful spring weather. Today my painting is going to be on this big canvas, which is 40 by 32 inch canvas, and I hope I can cover all of this canvas and you are able to see all of the art, the beautiful painting today in this video. The colors that I'm going to be using are going to be beautiful blues, a little bit of gold, silver, as it's going to be a sea themed painting under the sea. So what I plan to do is I'm going to mix all of my paints with water, which is going to be in a consistency which is thicker than the Dutch pour, and the colors, the paints don't leave a mound when I'm mixing them with water. And all the colors, most of the colors are from Amsterdam, the beautiful colors, and you know how much I love my blues. So it's a under the sea painting. I plan to layer up my cup with all of these amazing colors, and then I'm going to do a ring pour, a few ring pours actually, 2 or 3, maybe 4 ring pours, and then I'm going to tilt the canvas to get the desired beautiful effect. All the colors are going to be in the description box below, but I can quickly go through the colors with you right now. I love this beautiful blue, which is brilliant blue from Amsterdam, and this turquoise green, Thaolo blue, Ultramarine blue, Greenish blue. This is I'm using this color for the first time, and the sap green color as well, together with titanium white, and these brilliant iridescent silver and gold from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. So my canvas has got a base coat already of white paint, as I'm reusing this canvas, and it's going to be for my own house, as I've got the different colors in my mind what I want for the room. So let's start off by layering the cups and starting with the ring pour, and then I'm going to tilt the canvas to get the beautiful amazing result. So let's keep my fingers crossed and let's start painting. impressed with these beautiful colors. Look at the lovely effect. The colors were a little bit thinner than the normal ring pour, but I do love the effect of these wavy lines under the sea. I love it. I hope you enjoy watching this video as well. Please leave some comments, or if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. That really helps me. I think this is my favorite part here. So I hope the colors turn out really nice and shiny because I added a bit of gold and silver, but I will share the dried result with you. Love this part. You can see the gold, the shimmery gold here in this part. I love the effect. Look at the waves. Look at this part. Amazing. I'm very happy. I hope you like this as well. And I can see a little bit of shimmer here as well. I hope you can see that too. Can't wait for this to dry. Look at these lines here from the rings. Amazing. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you so much for being here once again. Take care. Bye now.